What's up, guys? Thought I'd record a video kind of straight away after the stream just because I got to get ready to do stuff. But it was a good day. Thank you guys for coming to hang out and watching the stream. We went over a few problems today, actually. We looked at 3 problems today. So first of all, actually, no, before we go in, let's take a look at our Pokemon of the day. I always forget, dude, nowadays. Got to take a look. We're at 158, but again, episode 157. So let's take a look at a Totodile. Take a look at the Pokemon sound. Take a look here at the voice clip. Let's go, dude. What an ad. I think he's saying Totodile. Totodile. That's our sound, dude. What a goated sound, bro. What a goated sound. Anyway, yeah. So the problems we went over today, we looked at finding pairs with a certain sum. It was our problem of the day. It was a pretty straightforward problem. It's kind of an implementation problem more, but I think there's multiple ways you can go about it. So I don't think you really need a counter here. I think you can simply just increment the value here and then solve this using an n-squared loop, like a double for loop here. But I ended up doing it with a counter. That's kind of the intuition I kind of got from the problem, but it was definitely good. Then we took a look at partition array to disjoint intervals. Definitely a tough problem to think about. It was tough to think about it. I did have a little bit of intuition, a little bit of a prefix sum, a little bit of thinking, but we did get there in the end and kind of identified what we needed. A current max and a left max to identify those, and then find the point where the left array splits the right array, and then return our index array where it splits, right? So kind of thought about it for about 45 minutes. It was definitely a good problem still. Went through it. Definitely a good problem. And then we took a look at, just kind of looked at this problem again. I kind of wanted to solve it on stream, but it's been a while since I looked at this problem. The intuition just wasn't there. I did remember kind of how I solved it. I remembered there was a specific trick with it, and really understanding pre-order and post-order traversal and how that can affect restructuring and creating the original binary tree. Pre-order having the root node. It's guaranteed that the root node is first because we go root right. Pre-order is root left right, and then we have in order, which is left root right. So, using those ideas, you can find the ways to split the left array, the right array, and the root, and make it into, and return the reconstructed binary tree, pretty much. Definitely some recursion here. Looked at the problem, watched a little bit of neat code, so that was definitely a good problem. But other than that was really about it. So again, appreciate all the support. I'll be back at it tomorrow for episode 158. Getting close to 200, so it's pretty exciting. It's my birthday this week as well, so that's super exciting. I'll still be streaming on my birthday because I'll still be here in Springfield. So it was a good 4th of July weekend. I hope everyone enjoyed it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. See you guys later.